My name is Ivan Brehm. I'm chef owner of restaurant Nouri in Singapore and director of Appetite Research Center, soon to be the crazy guy running this crazy place. We're currently in 72A, Amoy Street, so the second floor of the space where Nouri is found. This is a construction site for what's going to be essentially the physical rendition of Appetite, our research center. It was our way to continue the investigation that Nouri started on how kind of traditions evolve and how interconnected food traditions are. You have naan bread in India and nang bread in China, right? And that they're definitely related. That says something deeper than just the bread. It says something about the people. We are also deeply related. What started to come out was something we coined crossroads cooking, which is really the act of cooking food that highlights these interconnected systems. Appetite then started to investigate those relationships in other forms, with art, with thought, with architecture. And what started as a crossroads cooking project became a crossroads thinking project. Appetite is comprised of both myself and Kaushik Swaminathan, who is our head of research, but we also have 14 research analysts who are kind of remote. When the work is finalized, they present to our team at Nouri so that there is a closed loop there. I mean, it isn't just about research, it's how we can use research to impact the way that we cook. And so all the chefs in the restaurant are consistently engaged with the process of the research. Appetite has changed the way we cook, for sure. I think it has made us question the use of ingredients and techniques, not just for their value from a taste standpoint, but also from a meaning standpoint. We use meaning as an ingredient in the restaurant. The fact that we're in the same house, that Nouri and Appetite are actually connected, not just in thought, but physically, is really magical. Whereas Nouri is more like the stomach brain of the operation, Appetite is the head brain of the operation, and they all share the same heart, but have slightly different functions.